Here's a quick look-see of a 1.8 liter 2005 Toyota with over 200,000 miles on it. It has a dual overhead cam, and Pappy's son is replacing the timing chain and head gasket. Here's a close-up of where the timing chain goes on the right side of the engine. And the block here, it needs a bit of surface preparation and checking to remove some high spots. And here's a look-see at the head with the valves. And the exhaust manifold still attached. And there's the old head gasket. Now the surface prep is done, and the new timing chain and head gasket will go in, and this should be good for another 100,000 miles. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace.